Aya na me ya bebre se nipa bi nim nokure anasa bia nokure da ne amfa nokure na anto na ye hyeda fa nsem di bu hu a na ya omama entro akwakoda na nokure na me pese mesre se enei asema abanma NDC fo ana PNC fo mfeni agro na me try say one difficulty in understanding some of this thing me chichi mu kakra ne ehunu lete ya be me de se wo se na nkasa kra akwa ba say any reference number. The vice president of this country actually let a call abonting to another company or another country. Now one for reference number and sheswa. Apart from say dangerous, no, he is not doing it in his official capacity. He is doing it in his personal capacity as a vice president. I hope everybody watching and listening to us would accept this. That's how we are vice president. Now we negotiate impo. Questions I mean I'm saying. Who negotiating on behalf of Ghana? I won't need mandate to do that. Who negotiating on part of your country? Won't draw personal letters. I don't draw letter in your personal capacity. What draw no in the official capacity as a vice president to get the whole country moving along with the argument and I say whatever you are going out there to negotiate. Now what your salary? Ama Embraer for we invite us almost free Brazil. Emra wo office vice president no eno me meeting womra kra sa a friend is saying let the amfa folio biem yentumi ntresi ne unu say sa ni pay and dispatch let and we e fa ha na se fa ha wo so omumra no me meeting na so kai ya for twin kwechiri okay ne ama let ye important eye asem a Matiami do be kamri bi atwam about that particular embraer ya na me de na me yapa MPP say MPP ni embraer semi and ma ye lose sa election obekaya 2008 NDC for the year campaign tier this president Kufuor ekwa presidential jet ube fra ban mu no afedi say and no de ya no de kum yen and ma o ba ban mu ba ban mu a eni na nsa na mo nkasa kwa hyase na mo kwa the same thing.
Is that the reason why Musuma kofa Airbus aba makofa Embraer election na abegum so that election year be Danny Bibi
sister anya ni akofa aba se wo be kai a ye be ba ban mu no ye kan say enyema bi koso Ghana ha enko yi prices of enyema bi a project bi aban ye no e too high.
Okay,
but ye be betra ban mu no se wo kokohwe nkrata mu a and this boy is so crafty so much me cover o machi with the laws of Ghana. So procurement laws here just say yama I me and man na no be paper you define. I give you paper. E don't the paper na cover mo say.
But what generalize the idea no do because you see I say na me ka say letters na be too. Letter no can different aircraft in one sem. Airbus dey no so ye.
Some ma Airbus.
Emu bia ni hon so okay ba ko na
me say me can Brian me we am Airbus. Do them so no. Ma kan Matiami do nsem o kan no kakra bi a kire wo hunu ni letter here important. Let a Matiami do press statement about say unknown to many Ghanaians. Then the chairman of the Armed Forces Council, the then Vice President John Mahama, was frantically receiving delegations from Brazil and negotiating the acquisition of 5 jets, including the most expensive hangar for this poor nation, when his president appeared not to be aware of the transactions.
Press statement being here.
But Matia Udo Google Abihu, Matiami do time our president Mills aesthetic commission say investigated the vice president. No. It goes on to say the late President Mills, apparently shocked and suspicious of the Vice President Mahama's negotiations, set up a committee comprising Honorable William Abua, Mr. George Amwa, and Brigadier General Alote, retired, to investigate the processes of the acquisition of 5 aircraft, including Embraer 190 aircraft and hangar for the Ghana Army. This is what is giving prominence to this letter. It tells you, say, John Mahama, in his capacity as a vice president, was doing something which was untoward. A year then, Kokoto aircraft. Now, Wakasa president or Tia Kunyasu anymore. A year then, vice president that wore a Krumha. Would you a company for another jurisdiction, negotiations? Now, vice president or president or Tia Kunyamu. Now, let me tell you something. Papa can send me, Sir Carlos here, minister for this deputy minister of trade. So, be Mr. Trade, one so. I agree. But the fact of the matter is, say, the president as he is. And when I say president, and I mean by extension, even the vice, one instruct their ministers to go ahead and do negotiations on behalf of the country. No president no president will go ahead and say President friend is saying Akufo-Addo or say the AFCFT abahadmo. Na esi pay office ma secretariat no. In the President Akufo-Addo office. No mo say bedia to Swadena Kokwa office na yefema a friend is saying AFCFT. And I say a friend is saying UGI Kona Kokwa ka a friend saying and Professor 7 years ebenya car at all Toyota Diama Director General of it is never done. The president instructs the sector minister to go ahead and do that negotiation. And by extension, this time, the minister for a friend is saying defense was the one who was supposed to have done this negotiation. Me no can say, me assure the military for to be police workers and your vice president, a friend saying, vice president Baumia and a Kokotoye. But look at the number of cars we have bought for police recently, more than 600.
But
Vice President Prabaumia on our team police council so as a chairperson. He never ever went there to negotiate for the cars.
It depends on the room and space that you'll be allowed to operate in by the president.
Yeah, this is governance. And a governance, when it comes to political party, in the governance, probably is different from Olona Usian. In this case, even the chairman of the police council, who happens to be the vice president, say if they sit down and meet and agree on things, the vice president doesn't go out and negotiate.
But see,
either in his private capacity,
actually president Juma, vice no on chair in Juma, and over the years, Ghana newo, yet vice for no any or mapping is any Juma, the momu ye ne kwai crabia, ye pin bimusin chain, bimusu yomunya kwanya, and in a Juma obedi no, as and when president assigns, and to say a man of when negotiate,
yeah, and then there's a match say yes, president, Kwano Nimuhoshi.
That's somebody's article.
Who is somebody that then your friend saying Attorney General? He was the then
in his capacity as
Attorney General. Yes.
Oh, I see.
And this is it is there in the media everywhere.
Okay.
So this is where we are saying says let away not preparing TS says let away bring prominence. This is where the prominence is coming in. And who can say vice president no you enshrine in your constitution. It is true. But you say president no take you over. And there's a be a president be a vice president there. Bibia as a president ye be and so niwa vice president no and in the end is a president ye no vice president to be ye
okay
say wo can a true say president can say okay corner negotiations are a specific influence to a particular job by the amount when they would want to personal capacity as the vice president of this country and you write to a company in somewhere in Brazil using your ambassador to go and do negotiations on behalf of the nation without the nation mandating you to go and do that. It is criminal. I am very criminal. I'm telling you.
Which court?
Huh?
Says which court?
Says my court. I am very criminal. No.
Now, criminal.
Oh, I want people to understand. Say, you can fool some of the people some of the time, but you can't fool all of the people all the time. Yamra Airbus no. Now what kind you maybe but who jai? Who's our start here? No kind 52, kind 53 no mami. They will see how the government official one benefits from all this. Kind 53 no
of another audio new copy no.
Me can Ebia no some body say my distorted no. Wo the camera. So no kita copy na me so me kita copy. Wo na akofo ma betra. Wo the camera. Bro for no gram ya mentante no papa nti. Wo the camera me. Wo kind 53 no. The next one, starting here, 52, 53, no?
53. Between 2009 and 2015, an Airbus defense company engaged Intermediary 5, a close relative of a high-ranking elected Ghanaian government official, Government Official 1, as its BP in respect of the proposed sale of 3 military transport aircraft to the government of Ghana. A number of Airbus employees knew that Intermediary 5 was a close relative of Government Official 1, who was a key decision maker in respect of the proposed sales. Payments or a number of Airbus employees made or promised success-based commission payments of approximately 5 million euros to Intermediary 5. False documentation and disguise these payments.
Thank you.
The payments were intended to induce or reward improper favor.
Thank you.
By Government Official 1 towards Airbus.
And why? And why? Kaisa line, the last line, I'll kind of come and view. The payment was supposed to induce and
the payments were intended to induce or reward improper favor by Government Official 1.
Thank you.
Towards Airbus.
Thank you. And you know, we know where the money was going to. Now, Obi catch them and say, just Obi catch them and say, I'm a meka would have missing me 2 minutes on the Biam and Yakabecheno. Just Obi catch them and Tibrofo. Yes, Sissy Cano, I know. Sa forged document na I5, Ekoye na, or the big Ghana and sign contract we are. But Okoye forged document, Edoko J commission. Now, sa commission was supposed to induce GO1. Now, Becca come, I'm bet you say. I5 even set a company be Ghana hand must okay company D. It has been established today by Joy FM Comedia. Said the company was set up by Sami Hama in 2012. Go and check.
The company.
Yes, it is a Sami Hama and a set as a company D. Names the I5 cannot be nobody else by Sami Hama.
That is by your inference. By
that
the,
is by
the judgment of a chain. Mami Musa was. I then attempt to be also chinchin who smear Mama with this. Because Ebas and Yakana.
I thought NDC was a smart party.
And this embra, they no abempty. Obiti because I thought all cause I was say, you never be some Mama. Yes, but
I was thinking, say NDC for your smart people. When they come, they are street smart. Or maybe a Kasan's way. Wouldn't perfectly well say. The court will not come out with this verdict without knowing who the GO1 is, who the I5 is, who the I8 is. Their names are there. You know perfectly well that these names are going to come out. Minimum, and I will accept it and find another way to discuss this matter. Nyamuye say Ochina, your convenience, the rare information about. Na say John Mahama na GO1. What again are you going to say? Now your lawyer says, okay, Yanka say John Mahama G bribe. Is that what you are saying? I thought they were smart because when it perfectly was it will be John Mahama and nobody. It cannot be
over 2 minutes and that's but
we cannot say Bisata. Neither can we say President Mahama.
Okay.
The person who was in charge in that time was John Mahama. And
thank you for points well made.
Then we go because certainly it is going to come out. And that idea is SCA. It is going to come as an index. And if you will come out, why don't you just take it and start your argument from now? Now, I don't find them that intelligent.
Thank you for